Welcome to Triangle Area, Secrets of the Parallelogram. Step 1. Meet the shapes. On the left, we have a rectangle. It has a base and a height, and they meet at a perfect right angle. The area of a rectangle is base times height. Now look at the shape on the right, a parallelogram. It looks like a leaning rectangle. Notice something important. The height of a parallelogram is not the slanted side. The height is the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides, the straight vertical line from top to bottom. And the area of a parallelogram is also base times height, exactly the same formula as a rectangle. Step 2. Half a rectangle. Here is a rectangle with base b and height h. Its area is base times height. Now let's cut it exactly in half diagonally from one corner to the opposite corner. We get exactly two identical triangles. Now focus on just one triangle. It is exactly half of the rectangle, so its area must be half of base times height. Area of a triangle equals 1/2 times base times height. Step 3. What about any triangle? Our rectangle only gave us a right angle triangle. What about all other triangles? Here is a parallelogram. Area is base times height. Draw a diagonal through it, and we get two identical triangles of any shape. So every triangle is half of a parallelogram, and the formula stays the same, 1/2 times base times height. Step 4. The ultimate theorem. Now here is the most powerful idea of this video. Imagine a fixed base at the bottom, and a parallel line above it at a fixed height. The triangle has its base fixed, and its top vertex can slide anywhere along that top line. Watch what happens as the vertex slides left and right and all the way across. The shape of the triangle changes completely. But here is the key. The base stays the same and the height stays the same. So the area stays exactly the same no matter where the vertex slides. This is the sliding vertex theorem. Triangles on the same base between the same parallel lines always have exactly the same area. The shape does not matter. Only the base and the height matter. Quick quiz. Rectangle, base 5, height 4, area equals 20. Parallelogram, base 10, height 3, area equals 30. Triangle, base 8, height 5, half times 40 equals 20. Triangle, base 10, height 4, half times 40 equals 20 again. Two completely different triangles, same area, because only base and height matter. Thank you for watching.